slip. Oh, hello. Might be some parts off of this. No, that's a different year Mercury. Okay. No. That'll do. You'll probably have to get in there to help or something. I don't know where he's actually going to hook it at. Oh, okay. Oh, 440 out of our motorhome. Don't care. Yep. More. 440 today. That's kind of cool. Well, that is, but also the weather's cold as well. Okay. And so I have a motorhome. Who cares?
It's 440.
Yep. Oh, one of the easiest unloads ever. Well, let's see here. Oh, this is the wrong side. This is the right side. I need to go to the left for those numbers. Right there. Hopefully you can all see it. So, I have a motorhome, but who cares? It's a
Heavy. 440 heavy duty block.
Yeah. Of course, we'll cover it better, but yeah, I mean, it's about 32,000 original miles on it, which is kind of rare on a, I think this was a 75, 76, I can't remember now.
We'll have to look.
All the numbers will be there for everyone to check, because this is going to be for the 68 Barracuda. Some people think it's for the 73 Roadrunner. No, Roadrunner is still going to be a Hellcat. This is for the 68 Barracuda. And he's going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff to this.
Yeah, it's not going to be a cruiser.
No,
By no means.
he's going to have a fun car. And it's going to be an automatic.
Unless I figure out a way to reinforce the
body.
Yeah, because I know some of those in 68 did have 440s with 4 speeds. But I can't remember how many they actually said. But if I can't, definitely probably be automatic.
Yeah, because they said even with a standard 440, what, twists the unibody frame or something with the 4-speed?
No, there was something about the 4-speed. Something mess up the car. I can't remember. I remember watching the video on it, but I don't remember.
Yeah. It's a good thing.
And that's why they favored automatic. So
yeah, because we gotta do a few more research on what to do with it. Well, he's got to do it because he kind of has an idea of what he wants to do for a build. So, yeah, I mean, it's can't go wrong for a 440. And
yeah,
how much? And you want to tell him how much you paid for this?
$400.
Yeah, $400 for an engine that
he said $400, and I said, here's my money. Take it.
Yeah, for something that's got 32,000 original miles on it, either before or a little after. Thought this came out of something else, but no, he's like, no, this came out of a motorhome. So it's like, okay, a well-kept motorhome, but sadly a tree fell on it in the back.
He did say there's more down there, so I'm going to check them out.
Yep, and there are to check out. We just got to go down there in the spring and see what's going on with them, other 440s.
I know you said one's locked up, but you know what? If you get it unlocked,
yeah,
you're after the block, not the original heads.
Yeah.
Especially if you're going to soup them up.
Yeah, because I got to get some plugs. I got some spare stuff to put right there. Actually, and everything.
Well,
we also got to...
There's one.
Oh.
Oh, may have to. There's the other side.
Okay. I didn't see those there. I'll put some plugs on them. Of course, we got to cover it. We still got to... Well, we've covered that to a certain extent and everything. So, but all in all, I mean... Can't go wrong with a 440. I mean, any kind of 440 will grab. And this one, and plus the others, you know, we got to look at.
Yeah, that 68 was originally a 318, but I'm turning it to a 440.
Yeah. Yeah, 318 automatic. It was a small engine car, but who cares? Because he's got to do...
by no means is going to be original.
No. No. And he can get parts galore for it. Fenders, well, front fenders, and entire front clip. Replacement panels in the back, stuff for the hood. But I'm going to be trying something a little different with the hoods and everything that are kind of rust pitted, just like the 66 Bonneville, to save us some replacing the entire skin. I was talking to an older gentleman. Here's the thing. I was talking to an older gentleman online. He kind of gave me an idea on how to repair a lot of those pits and everything that are pretty decent. And just gonna have to, you know, find out. So the 66 Bonneville is going to be a test subject on that kind of manner. But I'm gonna go back this Tuesday. So the next video will be out maybe Wednesday, depending how weather is. I gotta do measurements on the 70 Cougar. I know the 68 Cougar donor car won't work, so I gotta do some stuff there. So, but I'm still gonna grab the 68 Cougar, which will give me another Cougar. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. It's savable. It's absolutely savable. The reason why I was going to originally grab it, you know, for a donor car for the roof, but roof skins won't work on a 68 to a 70. It has to be 69 or 70, which is fine. But hey, it's another Cougar, but don't know what to do with it yet. I'll figure out something in the future. But yeah, there's some other stuff. It's just a lot of stuff in general. This spring we're going to be so gosh darn busy. At least I'm going to be busy. And also too, people are wanting me to save back on tearing the frame off the 58 Fairlane. They want me to put it side by side with the 60 Fairlane just to compare years. I know Fairlane is like the Galaxy from what I faintly remember, as each and every year is different. 57's different, 58's different, 59's different, of course obviously 60. So people want me to compare those two with that, and people are paying attention more about the 69 Fairlane 500 Fastback that's in the storage shed right now, along with his 66 Galaxy Thunderbird Special 3-speed. Yeah, his is a factory 3-speed, just like my 65, but his, someone turned into a 4-speed and stuff like that, but you're still up to debate on what you're going to do with that.
I'll probably do a 4-speed on that. Right now, there's a 410 Marauder in it.
Yeah, he's got a 410 Marauder.
Original 66.
Yeah. Oh, that's a Marauder 66.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, 410 4-barrel.
Actually came out of a retired police car.
Yeah, it needs to be rebuilt. And of course, it needs to be rebuilt anyways. It's been sitting for so long. And my Fairlane, the 69, I don't know what it originally had in it, but I put a 351 Cleveland in it, 2-barrel. But I got to find a 4-barrel intake for it. just to have something. It's not going to be much of a fun car. But the 58 Fairlane, when I start tearing that apart, I got an idea on what I'm going to do with the 428 in it that I want to be putting in it. Originally going to be 390, but I think I talked about it once, but I'll talk about it again when the time comes, when I start tearing it apart more. Anything else you may want to add?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
Well, and the fact that I'm seriously thinking about buying all those 440s off of him.
Yeah.
Just
well, they're already reserved. We just got to go look at them, see if we want them. If
I'm
not,
still
then
thinking.
they wouldn't hurt. I mean, just tear it apart and just soak them and all that stuff. And that's, well, you kind of know how to do that stuff to unlock them.
Best way to get access to it, the oil out of the transformers like you see on your electric poles and stuff like that.
Oh, those?
Yes, it's a really kind of watery, fine, thin
Oh,
oil.
is that stuff you got to wear gloves on, or else they'll get into a cut and it kind of mess you up?
Oh yeah, but use that, put that down in your spark plug holes and stuff like that. It actually breaks up, unlocks your engine pretty damn good.
Yeah, because we got to do that to that flathead. Yeah, because we got to do that to the flathead and the 4041, and also possibly your 48 4x4. Well, there's a couple engines out there.
I'll
really
have to recheck that, because when I picked it up, he did say it did turn over.
Which one?
The 3/4 ton.
I remember well, not the 4. I don't know what 4-speed if it's in it, or it might be an old 3-speed.
Yeah, it's probably old 3-speed.
I know that needs to be rebuilt, because I remember when I was trying to shift it and everything, it was just solid. So, and there's a lot of stuff to be started. We're going to be so busy this spring. So I hope everyone enjoys this video. We'll get this thing down. Hopefully people take us more seriously, because there's a lot more builds, and we're just now starting more out on our little bit of a home business and, you know, entrepreneurship with online stuff with here on YouTube. And when we get going more, we'll start announcing more other things for business adventures, because we're going to be so gosh darn busy. And when things get going more, he'll be here, and we'll be pretty much tackling everything. And whoever we end up marrying, you know, hopefully they, you know, join us in our endeavors. If not, no big deal. So on that note, I see a tire over there I gotta pick up. Oh, that's from the deal that I was gonna start to tear down. Could use that for this, actually.
Is there a rim on it?
Yeah, there's a rim on it.
I want one without a rim.
Oh, okay.
That way you set the oil pan right inside it.
Alrighty. Well, I'll end this video there. Enough gabbing. Not much of an episode, because, you know, just grabbing an engine. Next week we'll be grabbing another car, if the weather holds out, because as you saw in the video, at the beginning of the video, snow. Now there's not snow, so we'll just see
it's
what
a pretty
happens.
big toss-up what I want to pick up. It's either going to be that 71 Merc or that 42-46 Plymouth Coupe.
Yeah.
I'm kind of anxious to grab that Coupe, but I also want to get that Brahman.
Yeah, we got to grab all the rest of the stuff too. We got to grab the Bronco, we got to grab the 60 Fairlane, that 72 Torino.
Yeah, there's front clips.
Yeah, front clips, parts, rear ends,
Found a perfect
more
front,
engines.
Found a perfect front clip for that 64 Galaxy.
Yep, because I'll be tearing the frame. Well, I'll tearing the body off the frame of that this year. Along with, there's just a lot of stuff in general.
There's a big list.
But yeah, there's a huge list, and so content's gonna be jumping around a lot. So, well, pretty much covers everything. So, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. A lot more is coming along the way. So y'all have a good one. Take care and stay safe. See you later.